Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that AI can develop entire app from a single prompt. Website, mobile app, game, and even a complex software. It's already happening, but here is the big question. Can AI replace programming language? And if they do, which language is best for you for the next 10 years? Hi everyone, I'm Sunil. We are exploring programming languages that are most likely to dominate in AI era. AI has completely changed the way software is built. Tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and other AI assistants can generate code, fix bugs, and even explain complex programs. Because of this, many people think programming is becoming obsolete. But that's not true. AI is not replacing developer. It's replacing repetitive tasks. Companies still need developers who can solve problems, design systems, and make technical decisions and ensure software is secure and reliable. A future developer won't spend all day typing code to build better software faster than ever before. Python is the champion. When it's come to AI, one language stands above the rest, that is Python. Most machine learning data science AI projects built using Python. Popular tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Pandas, and NumPy have made Python foundation of the modern AI development. It's simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly. Whether you are building chatbots, recommendation system, or AI models, Python remains the best place to start. My prediction: Python will continue leading the AI world for the long time. Let's talk about two languages that are gaining serious attention. First, Rust is known for its speed, safety, and performance. As AI systems become larger and more expensive to run, and efficiency become critical. That's why many experts believe Rust will play major roles in future AI infrastructure. Next is Go, also known as Golang. Go is widely used for cloud computing, APIs, and backend systems. AI applications often serve millions of users, and Go helps companies build reliable systems that can handle that scale. If you are interested in cloud engineering and backend development, both Rust and Go are excellent for you. If you are just starting out, here is the simple roadmap. Learn Python, learn SQL, learn Git and GitHub, learn JavaScript, start using AI tools, explore cloud computing and deployment. So, will AI replace programmers? That is no, absolutely no. But programmers who knows how to use AI will have a huge advantage. The future belongs to developers who combine coding skill with AI tools. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Sunil. I will see you in the next video.